Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually scan your Dstv Explora Decoder if you are living in Kenya. So whenever you switch on your decoder, your Explora Decoder for the first time, this will be the first page that will pop up on your screen. You have the language option, so you have to select your preferred language. You have English and Portuguese, so you're gonna go in with English. You press OK on it, and when you come here you have the satellite page. So with the satellite, since you are living in Kenya, you have to select the E36B satellite and you press OK on it. And when you come here, you come down to the manual setup and you press OK on the manual setup to proceed. So here, this is the LMB page. You need to select the unique cable TM/SAT-CR, since you need a unique cable LMB to install an Explora Decoder. And the user band figures, you have to leave it as it is. You don't have to change anything over here. It just have to remain as the default figures. And on the right side of the page, you have to check that those signal status over there is showing. Those broad tips are showing, actually indicating that there is a signal from your satellite dish. So all you got to do is to come down to the scan option and then you highlight it to proceed. Highlight it and then you press OK on it to proceed. So whenever you tap on the scan and it's unable to scan, you have to know that the signal that you are getting from your satellite is not enough to actually scan the decoder, and you have to adjust the dish to get enough of the signal before you can proceed with it. And after scanning, if it's a newly decoder with no activation, you have to call the Dstv office and you provide them with your details and the details of your decoder, Explora Decoder. That's the IUC number or the smart card number, and they're going to do the necessary activation right there for you. If it happens to be your first time being on this channel, all you got to do is subscribe and you hit the bell icon. You lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching.